Let's make the best milk and cheese bread ever, shall we? Hello, sweetie. Welcome back to Lady B Kitchen. Today is your first time tuning in. You are highly welcome. Thank you for stopping by. In a clean bowl, add in 1 cup of warm milk. So I'll be making use of liquid milk. Now you can add in 3 tablespoons of sugar. I will stir everything together and make sure that the milk and the sugar get combined. The next ingredient I'll be adding is dry yeast. So I will make use of dry yeast. So I just add everything. Now I will just cover this yeast to ferment for 5 to 6 minutes before I will open and make use of it. Just cover for 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, then minutes is here. Look at our dough. The dough has doubled its size. Just take a good look at that. I'll just take out the plastic wrap, then see how.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. myself.